Hello, join me as I solve this physics problem. Previously, I told us that I was going to use the formula method to solve the same problem. Yeah, so today I've decided to do that. Okay, now, a radioactive substance has a half-life of 8 days. The mass of the substance is 200 grams. How much of this mass must have decayed in 32 days? In my previous video, if you go back to it, you notice that I used the halving method. So today I'm using the formula method for people in other continents. We are going to say that n, small letter n, equals to total time all over half life. Please, this n stands for number of half-lives. So that's what n stands for, number of half-lives. So total time, if you read this question again, it will take a total of 32 days. So that's the total time. And then what's the half-life given? Half-life is given to be 8. So that means there are 4 half-lives. This has 4 half-lives, which is our n. Then we're going to introduce the formula. It says that n capital equals to n0 bracket 1 all over 2 raised to power n, where this n is your mass remaining, and then n0 is the original mass or count rate. Then the small letter n here becomes your half-life. So original mass remaining, mass remaining rather, equals to original mass, which is given to be 300 multiplied by 1 all over 2 raised to power half-life number, which is 4. I have not done anything extra. I just inserted the values into this expression. This is half-life equation, so I just implanted what I've been given into this. Now, if you solve this will give you 300 multiplied by 1 raised to power 4 is still 1. 2 raised to power 4 is 16. So that means we are dividing 300 by 16. The mass remaining after how many days? That's 2 days, becomes 300 multiplied by 1 is still 300 divided by 16, and that is 18.75 grams. So this will be the mass remaining after the 2 days. However, that is not what we're looking for. We're looking for the mass that must have decayed. So originally we had a mass of 200 grams, but after the 2 days we are left with 18.75 grams. So we take away this from this. That leaves us with 300 minus 18.75. So mass decayed, or mass that we lost already, becomes 300 minus 18.75, and that will leave us with 281.25 grams. If you watch my previous video, you notice that this value here agrees with the previous answer that I got using the halving method. So any of these methods is applicable. You just need to know the one that will resonate with the exam board that is applicable to your country. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.